65. Which of these statements is true? Bobtail tractors can take longer to stop than a combination vehicle LOADES to maximum gross weight. 66. Off-tracking or cheating causes of which of these to follow the wider pass while making a turn? Triple towing a 4.5 FEET trailer. 67. What will happen if the airlines are crossed when you hook up to an old trailer? If the trailer has no spring brakes, you could drive away but you wouldn't have trailer brakes. 68. To unlock the fifth wheel, the locking lever should be placed in the open position. 69. There are two things that a driver can do to prevent a rollover. They are: 1. Keep the cargo as close to the ground as possible, and 2. Go slow around turns. 70. What gear should the tractor engine be in after you uncouple the trailer and are inspecting the trailer supports? Neutral.